This electrical forum is designed as a resource for individuals working in the electrical and related industries. It aims to provide a platform for contractors, electricians, engineers, inspectors, instructors, and other professionals to share knowledge and discuss topics related to electrical work and the National Electrical Code. Understanding the rules and guidelines is crucial for maintaining a productive and informative environment. Firstly, the forum is intended for use by those actively involved in the electrical industry. Questions of a how-to nature posted by individuals who are not part of this industry will be removed without prior notice. Secondly, it is important to remember that any information gathered from this website should not be treated as the opinion of an expert witness, nor should it be presented as evidence in any legal dispute. Given the real-time nature of the forum, the administrators cannot review every message or confirm the validity of the information posted. The forum and its administrators are not responsible for the content of user-posted messages. They do not vouch for or warrant the accuracy, completeness, or usefulness of any message and are not responsible for the content of any message. The messages posted in the forum express the views of the author and not necessarily the views of the forum or any entity associated with the forum. If a user finds a posted message objectionable, they are encouraged to contact the administrators immediately by email. The administrators have the ability to remove objectionable messages and will make every effort to do so within a reasonable time frame if it is determined that removal is necessary. However, this is a manual process and immediate removal or editing of particular messages may not be possible. By using the forum, users agree that they will not post any material which is knowingly false or defamatory, inaccurate, abusive, vulgar, hateful, harassing, obscene, profane, sexually oriented, threatening, invasive of a person's privacy, or otherwise violates any law. Users also agree not to post any copyrighted material unless the copyright is owned by them or by the forum. The forum reserves the right to delete any message for any or no reason whatsoever, although it does not and cannot review every message posted and is not responsible for the content of these messages. Users remain solely responsible for the content of their messages. They agree to indemnify and hold harmless this forum, MyColt Enterprises, the owner of this bulletin board, and their agents with respect to any claim based upon transmission of their messages. The forum also reserves the right to reveal a user's identity or any other information known about them in the event of a complaint or legal action arising from any message posted by them. Advertisements, chain letters, pyramid schemes, and solicitations are not allowed on the forum. It is important to note that any comments made in the forum are personal opinions and represent personal responses as requested. These opinions must not be considered a formal interpretation of the National Electrical Code and are not to be considered an official position of MyColt Enterprises Incorporated, the National Fire Protection Association, the National Electrical Code Technical Correlating Committee, any of its code-making panels, or any other company or organization. Installers, contractors, and electricians are responsible for complying with local laws and ordinances, including obtaining permits and inspections where required. The forum provides information and resources for individuals in the electrical and related industries. Only those in the electrical industry can post how-to questions. No information from the site should be considered expert witness testimony or legal evidence. The site is not responsible for the content of posted messages. Users agree not to post false, defamatory, or illegal material. The site reserves the right to remove any message without reason. Users are solely responsible for their messages and must indemnify the site and its owners for any claims. The site reserves the right to disclose user information in case of legal action. Advertisements, solicitations, and chain letters are not permitted. Personal opinions expressed in the forum do not represent official interpretations of the National Electrical Code. Installers, contractors, and electricians must comply with local laws and ordinances. Adhering to these rules helps ensure that the forum remains a valuable and reliable resource for electrical professionals.